Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and the 12th day, season finale of the 12 Days of Christmas, brought to you by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. Special thanks to Glam Elegant Living, our main host. Creations by Simone, Miriam's Creative Corner, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Thank you so much, ladies, for co-hosting this awesome collab with me. Links to all of our channels, as well as the playlist, are in my description box below. So let's jump right into this Christmas makeover of my master bedroom. And of course, I am bringing in my signature color for the finale. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while I finish putting this master bedroom Christmas makeover together.
I had a lot of small pieces like that, and I still want to make use of them. So what I'm doing is just spiraling them because they're wired ribbon, and creating little spirals of ribbon. Just taking them and then adding them to the tree by pushing them all the way in and then using the branches to secure them. And those look so pretty. Now that I've finished the ribbon, I'm gonna go in with some picks, and I have these glittery purple picks from last year, and I'll try to make a couple of these work. They're very long.
I forgot to mention that I got this Christmas tree from the thrift store for $5. $5! Someone had just brought it in as I pulled in, and the manager gave it to me for $5 rather than to carry it in. What a deal.
I used ornament clusters on this small tree, and it didn't take that many ornaments. The last thing I'm gonna come in with is some of these purple poinsettias. This is the one that I had already. Not bad. And then this one I thrifted this summer. Brand new. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Gonna use as my topper this cute hat that my little sister got me. Thank you, Diana.
Let me share a dirty little secret about me. I am not a water drinker. I love Hawaiian Punch, Kool-Aid, and iced tea. But Allie challenged us to do better for these 12 days. And I'm happy to report I have been drinking more water every day.
holder, but I see why it was on clearance. $12, right? And push that up nice and close to it. We're fine. And I thought that would be cute, and I'm not.
Be born to us today. We hear the Christmas angels, the great glad tidings tell. Oh, come to us, abide with us, our Lord Emmanuel. For Christ is born of Mary and gathered all above. While mortals sleep, the angels keep their watch of wondering love. Oh, morning stars together proclaim the holy birth, and praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth. And praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth.
I truly hope you have enjoyed the 12 days of Christmas with the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. I have enjoyed sharing my holiday preparations with you, and I hope we have given you some Christmas cheer and decorating inspiration and motivation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And just because I didn't say during the video, most of what I used today, I already had on hand. These two picks I purchased from Hobby Lobby this year, and the Merry Christmas sign I got last year on Christmas clearance. Everything else I already had on hand. So thank you again for watching, and until next time.